Sanibonani ke ubungulo Indlovukazi ngiza nendaba wona uzanani nendlebe. Lona ke umamgobhozi wenu wodumo oniphathela zona zishisa on my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.
Uthi ke aqhubeke ke after noma edlisiwe uthi umfana bhede kakhulu kunaqala kungakhombisi ukuthi idliso liyasebenza. Uthi webongiwe uthi kuthe ngelinye ilanga umfana ngingalindele wahamba wayolanda izingane esikoleni. Ngiyafona mina esikoleni ngizolanda ingane kuthiwa ubaba useyiphika phila izingane. Ngifuna ingane kuthi ngesikade angifonele athi enene izingane ngizithathile usihambile sayodla ice cream nezingane. Uthi ngibuza ukuthi why pho ungangitshelanga and kade ngifona ucingo lakho awulibambi nje why ungangitshelanga athi yena manje sengiyazihambisa vele sengiphindisela endlini. Uthi ngicabanga ukuthi we endlini akukho umuntu ngisemsebenzini phela I'm juggling all this alone and uthi vele ngibona ukuthi lo uzofonela iCP ilokhuzana iChild Protective Service if enene efika endlini ingekho umuntu ezodrop ingane. Uthi ngifonela umngani wami ngimtshela ukuthi akaye endlini ukuze athi maka drop ingane afice khona umngani wami endlini. Baphambane nomngani nami kusho ukuthi umngani nami makathi uyafika endlini uyafika izingane azikho akakafiki. Uguy umngani bese yafona usehambile athi angizithola izingane ngisayoyibheka kwakhe. Uthi makafika uguy uyafika ingane uyidropa kuphi eminyango izingane zivulela ukhiye ziyazi ukhiye la uhlala khona zivula zingene ngaphakathi endlini. Uthi mayingena ngaphakathi endlini izingane zihleli zodwa ngiphinde ngifone mina ngithi ukuphi ziphi izingane zami athi zisendlini ngishile kuwena zinawo athi angikho mina endlini. Uthi ngiphinde ngifole umngane wami ngithi phuthuma mngani wami ngicela uphindele uyidrophile izingane zodwa and meke wafika zizodwa ngiyazi ukuthi uzofonela amaphoyisa angiphucwe izingane zami. Nangempela umngane aphuthuma aphindele endlini kanti umngane uzofica indoda isikhona endlini. Ilwe indoda ithi ngizofonela amaphoyisa ithreatenisha intombazane ngizokuphuca lezi izingane ungabi nalutho nje. Uthi enene walwa lapho uthi yazibonga ukuthi angikhale mina ngembezi but I realize ukuthi there's no time for me to cry now, right now there's no time for me to cry. Into efuna ngiyenze ufuna ngilwe nanto ngamtshela ngathi how dare you drop ingane eminyango ungangeni ubheke nokuthi khona bani endlini. Wathi if somebody is going to be arrested today, it's going to be you for child neglect ukuthi ushiye ingane zodwa because mina ngibuya ukothenga igrocery akasho ukuthi ubuye emsebenzini akasamtshela ama-hours awasebenzayo. Uthi ngiyaqhushunaza because if ngingamtshela ama-hours uzophinda ngitshela ukuthi enene ngiyahluleka as a parent, so I was doing the best I can so that ingane zami zizokwazi ukuthi zibe nekusasa. So ingane zami ziyakhula ziloku zikhula siyabambisana siyasizana bongiwe. Uthi ingihlupha indoda ithatha ingane ngesikhathi sayo mayifuna. Uthi kwayilo muthi lo walo mama ngiyabona ukuthi awusasebenzi. Uthi ngigoduke ngekhaya bongiwe kuqala iCovid kulokhuza. Uthi ngiqale before kuqala iCovid ngigoduke ngekhaya. Ngigoduka ngekhaya bongiwe sengifuna ukuyibulala. Uthi sengifuna ukuyikhipha umphefumulo ngifuna anything ukuthi ngikhiphe umphefumulo. Uthi bese ngiyasuka emva kwalokho ngihambe ngiyofuna isichitho kumuntu ukuze le ndoda le iphelelwe yiko konke. Ngihambe ngiyofuna isichitho ukuthi nje abe nebhadi nje elingapheli. Uthi ngiqale bongiwe manje njengoba ngimfaka isichitho nje sekufuneka manje ngihambe ke ngizikhulula ke manje ngitoiletha ke manje ngigoqa lo muthi. Uthi ngelinye ilanga ngithi ngiyagoqa ngiyenza lesi sichitho uthi qamuke abangani bethu guys. Uthi kuqhamuka umuntu usebenzisa toilet lasemsebenzini. Uthi usebenzisa toilet lasemsebenzini uqhamuka umuntu osemsebenzini ngalesikhathi sathi usagoqa. Uthi wavele waflash itoilet umngani wethu waphuma wahamba. Uthi bonke wakazoma uzochitha uzosebenza yini. Uthi ngangifuna le ndoda ingeke kase ngizame konke emandleni nami. Uthi ngifuna ingiyeke. Uthi bongiwe kuthenge linye ilanga ngiphethe lo muthi lo kuthiwe enene uzomenza ukuthi abe nesidina angathandwa umuntu izinto zakhe zingalungi. Uthi bongiwe indlela engangidesperate ngayo. Uthi ngisho emini ngangihamba ngiyomendlini egcekeni lomlungu ngifike lapho ngenze nguphephethe. Uthi kwakunomuntu osithitho nomunye aye kuthiwe enene akawusebenzise athi makakhuluma uthi bongiwe ngahamba angilinde ukuthi umlungu ahamba emsebenzini mina ngisale ngime egcekeni ngiphephethe ngiphethe ngibona ukuthi umlungu kunokuthi abe right izinto zibheda kakhulu uthi ziyabheda uthi zibhede kakhulu umlungu ungihlukumeza ungibambe ngophongwana uyangikhumbuza ukuthi ngikwere angena ngishowa lana uyangitshela ukuthi uzothatha yonke into yami uthi uzongiphucaza sengiphuce nabantwana by the time ngiphindele ekhaya mina ngophinda ngingenalutho. Okay, uthi umngani wethu ngibona ukuthi okay akusebenzi ukuthi ngelinye ilanga athi uzolanda abantwana ngithi mina ngcono sihlangane emall because ngibhizi. Uthi nami sengiyaqala manje sengifuna ukujola. Uthi ngisho ngingathola indoda weyitshela wezazoma ngasemnyango wamaltshela ukuthi enene yena uyazi ukuthi sishadile ujolela nomfazi oshadile. Uthi wengayifuni happiness yami lwabhuti. Uthi sihlangane kathi uzolanda ingane ngithi mina sihlangane emall. Uthi masihlangane emall bese ngithi mina okay ngiphathe lo muthi lo kwathiwa angiwuphephethe kwangasho ukuthi angiwuphephethe kuyena kwathiwe angiwuphephethe noma ikuphi bese ngimemeza igama lakhe bese ngisho lento engifuna yenzeke kuyena. Uthi nangampela Bongiwe indlela engangidesperate ngayo ngize ngigcine ngalesikhathi ephenduka nje elinde ingane ziza. Uthi Bongiwe ngathatha uthi ngawuphephetha kuyena la ngemuva. Umngani wethu uthi ngawuphephetha la ngemuva uthi manguphephetha la kuyena uyaphenduka uthi what is that? Uthi I don't know, maybe it's wind. Uzozakazi umoya uthi hey ngiphephethe kanjalo ngiqhubeke sihambe isikhathi dololo indoda kanti kuzofika ilockdown. Uthi makufika ilockdown indoda then asisabonani ke ngelockdown nje sasingabonani ngangihleli nezingane ngedwa. Uthi kuyabe sengithola icall mangireceive icall indoda izacile Bongiwe ibuthwa nezibi. Uthi izace yomekheqe ithi cela ngilethele imedicine ngiyafa ihlele endlini ayikwazi ukuphuma ine covid ithi cela ngimlethele imithi. Uthi Bongiwe lesi silime esimina instead of ngibona ukuthi okay imithi yami siyasebenza le ngisebenzisa kuyena ngiyahamba ngifike ngiyomsiza ngimlethele imithi ngimlethele into zokuphuza ayithathe ngefastela avale ifastela. Uthi Sindi indoda iphile yaphila indoda. Now I'm working towards getting a divorce. Uthi indoda ngiyitshela ukuthi ay sengifuna ukudivorce mina I don't think I can live this life, this is not good for me and it's toxic as divorcing. Uthi guy athi enene kana nkinga they need to go together bahambe bayobona ilawyer bobabili. Uthi nangampela sahamba sobabili siyobheka ilawyer. Uthi but manje ngoba ilawyer yena umfana usefuna ukuthatha zonke izinto like akafuni ngithathe lutho kuphela. Uthi he's gonna give me indlu phela le kudayetha ngikhokhela. Uthi ilawyer lisho ukuthi cha you can't. Uthi akafuni nokuthi akhokhele ichild support. Uthi lawyer lathi cha but you can't do that nishadile nalomuntu you need to be able to pay ichild support. Uthi ugeli yey ngiza ukuthi ya indoda ingimemqaleni ngize ngibone ukuthi you know what ngizosifunela ama lawyers ami na uzosifunela ama lawyers akhe. Uthi icase went on for 3 years. Isilokhu nje sidingadingana umfana uyangidelela uyangihlukumeza ngathi ungihlukumezela ukuthi ngimelwe inhliziyo ngisheshe ngishone and ngiyambotha indlela ngihlukumeza ngayo ufuna ngife. Ngiphinde futhi Bongiwe ngiphindele ekhaya ngiye kulondoda le because sasihambile nomngane wami seMozambique ngiye kule ndoda le yaseMozambique ngiyaya ke manje ngiyofuna umuthi ukuthi afe kungcono afe ngona afe phansi ukuthi umnqamla juqu ngifuna ambulale. Uthi indoda nangampela isho ukuthi lethana isithombe sakhe yenze izinto siqede lapho ngihambe ngiphindele futhi e-UK. Uthi makaphindela iyamenza ifuna kahle ukuthi aginqeke nemoto ashone. Uthi uthi afike elokhuzeni e-UK. Uthi makafika e-UK uthi ahlala indoda dololo uginqeka nemoto. Kuthi ngelinye ilanga nje kunetha kugcwele isnow. Uthi indoda ishiblike ngemoto idrive ishiblike iginqeke nemoto uyangifonela imafohlofohle emotweni akafanga intshela ukuthi cela ngiphuthume ngifonele i-ambulance unisendaweni ewukuthi uthi webongiwe indoda ingitshela ukuthi angifonele i-ambulance ngiphuthumisa i-ambulance ilimele ibiza endlini yami ilimele ibambeke emotweni nangempela uthi bongiwe ngibe isithithi futhi ngiyasaba nokuthi manje uzofa ngempela kusho ukuthi lo muntu ade ngusebenziselana uthi ngifonele amaphoyisa ngifonele i-ambulance ngisho ukuthi ukuphi uthi bafike bazomlanda bamthathe bamhambise bamuse esibhedlela uthi bongiwe ngamnakekela esibhedlela ngamunakekela waze wasinda futhi sihamba isikhathi indoda still noma isisindile indoda iyangihlukumeza ayibi nandaba ukuthi cha ngisavile uthi ngirealize ukuthi no ngenza iphutha angiphindele emuva angiphindele emuva ngekhaya uthi ngiphinde ngigibele bongiwe uthi njalo after 6 months asengiwumuntu ogodukayo ngiphindele ekhaya uthi aphindele ekhaya uthi makafika ekhaya aqhubeka ahambe aye kule nyanga afika ayitshele le nyanga ukuthi yazi lo muntu lona akafi uthi also i-divorce is really hard akafuni sengifuna ama-lawyers uyayiqeda imali sengikhokhe more than 30k of pounds ngikhokhela ama-lawyers but nje lawyer after another ugayi uyacontesta ufuna ngihambe ngingenalutho and ama-lawyer yalo athi you can't because nishade kwi-incommunity of property uthi alwe ugayi alwe uthi bongiwe that man ngase ngizace ngingangogodo ngithi kodwa Jehova umthathi ngani angazi bongiwe mase ngibuya kulokhuzana eMozambique sengibuya ngibuye ngigibele ngigoduke ngithi mina izofa indoda uthi indoda dololo lutho kufa uthi ngiyezwa guqiqi kuthushile ushiswa amanzi angazi ushe kanjani nalapho futhi ngiphinde ngimnakekele uthi into eyenza ukuthi ngimnakele ngangibuye ngiyisole kwakubuye kuvuma ubuntu okumina ngingafuni ukuthi afe uthi after kuloko kusha kwakhe la uyadecide khona ukuthi okay yaseklisheni nangempela kagcina sengithole uhalf wezinto zami naye wasala nohalf wezinto zakhe ngakwazi ukuthola imali zami because la ephepheni uthi bekubonakala ukuthi enene I was paying for a lot of things so I had proof ukuthi bengikhokha so like bengikhokhela into eziningi actually uthi even ama lawyers they were realizing ukuthi I was paying more bills because uGuy ubenganazi ikweletu I was paying more bills and ngemali encane uthi ila ngabona khona usho ukuthi uGuy befuna ngikhokhela izinto zakhe ngilo ngimsiza mase eqedile bese yangixosha ngingakwazi mina ukuthola izinto zami ngoba konke phela izinto zazibhalwe ngegama lakhe so mina ngangizophuma ngingenalutho nje ngingena fokola uthi ke until ize ngithola ilawyer sengiqedile imali ngeyimali thola ilawyer sesigcine sesenzile settlement ngaze ngavuka uthi bonke ngangingafuni nokutheni ngangifuna nje ukuthola indlu khona ngizokwazi ukuthi ngihlale nezingane zami asupport izingane zami ngangingafuni izindlu zakhe nako konke lokunye ngangifuna nje a property where thina nabantwana bami sokwazi ukuhlala and bese maintain izingane uthi le ndoda ayiswele lutho kodwa ayengafuni inhlobo uthi ke isheke kanjalo bese ke ngilaphe ngiphinde ngilaphe futhi until siye enkantolo sesidivorce ngize ngithola ilawyer that was agreeing because amanye ama lawyer ayefuna ukumphuca yonke into nayo uthi but I didn't want that because kwakuzobe ngathi ngispiteful into engangifunda mina ngifuna ukuthi angiyeke angalokho engihlukumeza athanda izingane zakhe and abe indoda eqotho but manje because sekuze kwafika la sekufike khona sesize manje kumele anginike ishare yami naye athatha ishare yakhe uthi ama lawyer ambuza ukuthi ngalesikhathi kwenziwe settlement ukuthi but why were you paying for everything le ndoda le akukhombisi la kuma bills ayo ukuthi bikhokha uthi akazi like you know and uthi manje emsebenzini uthi bongiwe emsebenzini isimo sami indlela engase nginciphe ngayo emsebenzini enye imali while I was doing i divorce settlement base bengikhokhela cash ngoba babazi ukuthi imali eningi izophelela kuma lawyers na kwi divorce kamfana ngoba umfana wenza sure umfana uthi wefuna ukungizwisa ubhlungu enze sure ukuthi imali ingayiqhuqa ngiqeda kuma lawyer at some point wathi ama lawyers akhe kufuna kakhokhelwe yimina uthi ngathi mina ngeke ngikwazi ame woman nginakele izingane zakhe angeke ngikwazi ukukhokhela ama lawyer but instead ngcono kube iwona wakhe ingcono kube awama ama lawyers okhokhela uyena because yena he has everything Geli uthi and then kwaba nzima but yagcina isi officially divorce yabo baseklisha uthi bongiwe the reason why ngixoxa lesi story uthi ngagoduka ngaye ekhaya and then I met uGuy wathola indoda entsha umngane wesana indoda entsha uthi but uGuy even though bebedivosile beseqala ahlupha until waze wathola intombi asihlala nawo ke manje seze unentombi useshadile nalo ntombazana. Nami ngamethi uGuy guys, uthi wamethi uGuy umngani wethu, uthi wamethi uGuy wase South Africa. Uthi makamethi uGuy, Guy is a black man, a Zulu man. Uthi indoda yomZulu sihlala nayo lana iyahamba iyosebenza inginika imali, angikaze ngenze lutho, inginakekela mina nabantwana bami. Uthi isikhathi njengoba manje sesinabantwana abawu-2, so I have now 4 kids nale ndoda. Uthi Bongiwe iyahola, inginike umholo wayo kube yimina oyinikayo imali. Uthi Bongiwe ngifuna ukutshela amantombazane, uthi the reason why ngixoxa lesi story first, uthi usixoxela ukuthi atshela amantombazane ukuthi yazi umuntu noma ngakuthiwa umlungu noma uyini, abantu abafi babulawa umuthi, abantu banamadlozi. Uthi banamadlozi abo imithi ayibabulali. Uthi ufuna ukuxoxa amantombazane ukuthi sometimes you do stay in a situation ucabanga ukuthi enene ngeke kuze kube ngcono, kanti uNkulunkulu kubekele okukhulu okuzayo. Uthi ngangikhuleka Bongiwe ngithandaza ngiyasaba nokubulala le ndoda. Uthi ngaze until ngaze ngayishiya ngahamba ngathola umkhwenyana lo right, njengoba nginomkhwenyana right and a beautiful Zulu man. Uthi who loves my kids engathi abakho abantwana. Uthi siphila kahle with umndeni wethu ohlangene. Uthi siphila impilo emnandi, indoda ayingihluphi ayihluphi ngalutho, iyondla iyasupporta, sihlele emzini wami because nginomuzi. Uthi kumnandi Bongiwe ngiphila impilo engiyithandayo. Uthi the reason why she's telling that story, she's telling you guys not to give up. Don't give up on yourself, and also don't give up on love. Don't stay in a situation where you know this is simo lesi siyabheda but you still continuing to stay. Ungazuza uzame ngisho ukumbulala umuntu, uNkulunkulu uzodila naye accordingly. Uthi Bongiwe after sengishiyile leyo ndoda yomlungu, uthi guess what, sengishadile sengiphila later njengoba ku 2026. Uthi after waginqa le emoto oqala aba beyond repair waginqa ke sibili aba beyond repair. Uthi right now he's so broke that he is selling the house imansion le akade hlala kuyona. Izingane ziyamtshela because sometimes uyeza they doing a co-parenting. Uthi now that usenomkhwenyana wakhe omnyama ashade naye, uthi akamhluphi inhlobo, akasayenzi lento kulokhu ezolunguza. Uthi since weza ukuthi ushadile akasamhluphi at all. Uthi kodwa uGuy is losing everything he owns. Uthi even the house le akuyona manje he's selling it because financially after COVID things fell apart, azange abe namali, imoto zifileke, akanayo ngisho imoto as we speak right now. Umbuzo wami umileke, awucabangi yini sisi ukuthi enene umuthi wase Mozambique usasebenza namanje because phela asuhlambululanga? Mbe umuthi wase Mozambique uyamqhuqa omlungu manje noma engafanga because phela umngani wethu uthi wefuna umlungu afi, uthi wefuna umshaya umlajuqu, uthi wefuna kumkhuphula, wefuna ukumphethola uthi wefuna ukuthi promote ayomeet ama ancestors as soon as possible. Zange zashona umlungu, but umlungu lost everything, about to lose the house as we speak right now. Istory ke lesi esingene ngevoice note on my Instagram. Ubongiwe lo Ndlovukazi ngiza nendaba wena uzana nendlebe. Ngicela mawubuka le story ungakhohlwa ukubuka ama-advert because iNdlovukazi ihola ngama-advert. Ngicela mawubuka lesi story ukhumbule ukuthi enene ngino Facebook account Ubongiwe Ndlovukazi. Go follow. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel because why? Nginilethela zona shisa. Ngilethela zona ngeplate ngiseva shisa. So ungakhohlwa ukuya ku Instagram wami uyongifollowa ku Instagram. Ungakhohlwa nje ukusubscribe on my YouTube channel. I love you guys so much and I'm grateful for you and everyone who's keeping uNdlovukazi nje. Nami nenza ukuthi ngibe motivated noma sometimes ngikhathele, nenza ukuthi ngibe motivated, ngifuna ukuthi nginilethele indaba. Ngiyabonga. Guys, ngicela ngenzele ifavor ne thandwa zami. Ngicela nambe no subscribe ku YouTube channel. I have like 500k followers, almost going to 600k. How guys, ngicela subscribe ku YouTube channel yami. And instead of you watching videos here on TikTok, please watch them on my YouTube channel And also mawubuka ama-videos ami la ku-TikTok, please repost them, like, comment and share. Like literally it's that simple, so that omunye nomunye nabantu abangakwazi ukuwabona bathi bawabone because wena you've shared. Ungangigcineli for wena kuphela. Like angithi lezi story lezi sikhuluma ngazo, it's for everyone to see, and lessons kuzona lezi story. So please ngicela ningireposte to post everything you see about me, just post. Ngisho ungazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani, repost, because of the, like, story. Repost, comment, like, repost. Bese no-subscribe ku-YouTube channel yami, please. Bese niya ku-Facebook, igama lami nguBongiwe Ndlovukazi. Ku-Instagram angiphathi-ke, I don't have followers on Instagram, I have 10,000. Like ngicela ningifolloweni ku-Instagram, uBongiwe Ndlovukazi, yonke indawo nje, in fact uBongiwe Ndlovukazi igama lami. YouTube Bongiwe Ndlovukazi, Instagram Bongiwe Ndlovukazi, Facebook Bongiwe Ndlovukazi, on my Facebook page, TikTok Bongiwe Ndlovukazi. Mina igama lami nguBongiwe Ndlovukazi. Bye.